Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, which is quite short, is about our carb problem on the Firebird scrambler. Now, I did a video on my irritations with this and the shovel head, which there may be a link for turning up around now. There may not. If not, have a look on the channel for bloody motorcycles. But anyway, the basics are that the Firebird scrambler's pilot jet circuit seems to be either partially blocked or something like that going on. And I've invested in a new tool which hopefully will help me sort this problem out. So, without further ado, let's go and have a look. Right. Big cardboard box. So, first problem, up, and it's upside down in the box. Well done. Right. A lead, some user instructions, a chip basket, a lid, so this is the 6-litre version. Now, I know from having read comments left by other people that the literage is nominal and actually considerably less than the advertised amount. But that looks plenty big enough for a carburetor to me. So the basket's quite small, but you'll easily get carb in there and more. Probably get a 2CV carb in there as well. So it's big enough for me. And then it's digital, so you can set the temperature you want. You get a reading of the actual temperature, and in minutes and seconds, and an on-off button. Let's get the carb off the BSA and get this thing started. Right, the tank's been filled just with water because, as far as I'm concerned, these carbs are sufficiently clean manually. But we're going to find out. So I'm going to give them 20 minutes just sitting in plain tap water just to see what happens. See if anything comes out, basically. Now the jets are clean, but I've been told that if you put them in a Tupperware container filled with the same fluid you're going to use to clean it and immerse that, it will also clean, but I'll do that later. I just want to see how the carb body comes out, and in particular how well it cleans up, if it cleans up, the pilot circuit. So there's loads of room. That's a carb body and a float bowl and a ring. To be honest, I'd get another body in there quite easily, or a container with the jets. So I'm happy with the size. So the temperature at the minute is 44 degrees because I used hot water from the tap. So it should work. We'll see what happens. Right, that is the first 20 minutes. Oh, sorry for that sudden bright light. Let's have a look, see if we can see anything. Not a lot. There may be some small black marks on the bottom that weren't there before. Right, okay. So, what we're going to do now, as I don't have any actual carburetor cleaning fluid, but I've been reliably informed that screenwash does the job perfectly adequately. So, we'll take a bit of this water out with something. I don't know what. I should go and find something. And then we'll add some screenwash and give it another 20 minutes. Right. You probably can't tell very well, but it is slightly bluer. It's got a very dilute mix of screenwash in because I didn't realise the stuff I had has already been diluted. So we're going to give it another 20 minutes. The temperature's still okay. I'm amazed it is, but it's still okay. Oh, there we go, 20. Right, that's another 20 minutes. Now then, I don't imagine you're about to see this, but there are definite little black spots now at the bottom of the tank. I thought there was on the first 20 minutes, and the second one is definitely showing up more. So it's cleaning. So let's have a quick look. Oh God, that's hot. Yeah. That is actually quite good. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely cleaner. Right, I'm going to go and blow out the idle circuit and things and see if there's been any improvement, and then it might get another go. But yeah, that's I thought they were clean already, but it's cleaned the alloy up really nicely. Okay, let's go and blow that out. Right, that's then blown off, and there is absolutely no doubt they look noticeably cleaner than me doing it manually. A nice, slightly matte finish to the alloy. Lovely. It feels nice as well. And I've blown through the idle circuit, and it seems to be blowing more air, passing more air, which means conversely it'll allow more fuel in, which is what I want. So I think that has been successful, although I intend still a bit alloy corrosion in the bottom of the bowl, but that's neither here nor there. I intend going and getting some more screenwash and put some concentrated amount in. So that won't be till tomorrow. So when you come back, it'll be the following day. Right, it's the following day. I did go and get some more screenwash. So both carbs have now had a really good go in the ultrasonic cleaner. I didn't see there's any point showing you that again. It's the same blue liquid and it makes the same buzzing noise, so there's not really a lot to show you. They've been blown through, so now I'm going to put the petrol tank on, connect up the fuel lines, and we'll give it a go. Right, I've bought a new pair of Champion spark plug caps as well, because the ones that are on it were very cheap and nasty little things. So that might help generally. So let's give it a go. Get a bit of ignition. To the other side. See if we've got any. Right. Obviously it's going to need a bit of fiddling about to tune it all up, but we're back on 2. So, good news.